So today we will start another new act, that is Right to Information Act 2005. Right to Information Act 2005, an overview. What is the object of bringing this act? What is RTI Act? It provides a legal framework of citizens' democratic right to access the information under the control of public authorities. It is under the control of public authorities. And the purpose of this act is to promote transparency and accountability. These two things are important: to promote transparency and accountability in functioning of every public authority. Who is a public authority? Public authority means any authority or body or institution that is established or constituted by or under the constitution, संविधान के हिसाब से बना हो, by an other law made by parliament, संविधान के द्वारा कोई नियम के हिसाब से बना हो, or any other law made by state legislature by notification issued or order made by the appropriate government, and includes any, number one, body owned, controlled or substantially financed. Second, non-government organization substantially financed directly or indirectly by funds provided by the appropriate government. So this is the public authority. What does information means? Information means any record that is available, any document which is required for someone or for any purpose, memorandums, that is also memos, opinions and advices, press release, circulars, orders, logbooks. These are the special books which are maintained generally for the vehicle or any other purpose, also using instrument or using the vehicle. So logbook is the evidence of using certain vehicle or instruments. Then contracts, then reports, papers, samples and models. These all are things are known information. Need for RTI, that is Right to Information Act. Right to Information Act की जरूरत क्यों है? Because it helps to promote openness बढ़ाता है, transparencies, accountability in working of every public authority. Public authority ठीक से काम करे, openness हो, transparency हो, accountability हो. And second object is to reduce corruption को रोकने के लिए, prevent administrative arbitrariness, that is मनमानी बोल सकते हैं हम इसको हिंदी में, bridge the gap between providers and recipient of public service. पब्लिक सर्विस जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं और जो रिसीव करते हैं उनके बीच के गैप को कम करने के लिए we need this act. Make citizens part of decision making, make administrative responsive, strengthen the foundations of democracy. Procedure for requesting information, apply in writing or through the electronic means in English or Hindi or in official language of area to the public information officer, that is known as PIO, public information officer, specifying the particulars of information sought for. जो information चाहिए उसके लिए public information officer को apply करना पड़ेगा. Reasons for seeking information are not required to be given. It is not necessary to give the reason why we are asking for the information. Pay fees as may be prescribed. फीस कुछ हो सकती है जो prescribed होगी, कभी कभी waive off हो सकती है. Fees and charges, application fees ₹10 if information is required in electronic media, floppy, CD, etc. additional charge will be applicable. If we require the information in the form of floppy or CD, then additional charge will be applicable. Photocopy charges will also be applicable. Photocopy charges of ₹2 per page. Inspection charges of relevant files, documents and records. ये भी applicable है. Inspection charges of relevant files, documents and records. No fee for first hours of inspection. If inspection is of within 1 hour, then no charge is applicable. ₹5 for every subsequent hour or fraction thereof. Fees and charges. Processing expenses incurred by the public information officer to be intimated in writing. Applicant can seek a review of the decision on fees charged by the PIO by applying to the appropriate appellant authority. No fees from people living below the poverty line. जो गरीबी रेखा से नीचे है उनसे कोई फीस एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. Fees free of cost if PIO, Public Investigation Officer, fails to comply within the time limits as prescribed under the RTI Act. अगर RTI Act में जो टाइम लिमिट दी है, then the cost will be free. अगर उससे लिमिट एक्सीड होती है. The time limit to get information, the certain rules, 30 days if application is filed with PIO, Public Information Officer, 35 days in case it is filed with the assistant PIO, 48 hours in case of matter to which the information pertains affects the life and liberty of an individual. अगर ऐसा केस है तो 48 आवर्स है. इन केस मैटर टू विच इंफॉर्मेशन पर्टेन्स अफेक्ट लाइफ एंड लिबर्टी ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. लाइफ और लिबर्टी को अफेक्ट करती है तो 48 आवर्स के अंतर्गत इंफॉर्मेशन देना है. कवरेज. व्हाट आर द कवरेज ऑफ RTI Act? RTI Act came into effect on 12th October 2005 and it covers central, state, local governments. It covered all governments, central government, state government, as well as local governments, means municipal, etc. All bodies owned, controlled, or substantially financed by the respective governments. Section 2H. Non-government organizations substantially financed directly or indirectly by funds provided by the appropriate government. Section 2E. Executive, judiciary and legislature. वैधानिक, न्यायिक और संवैधानिक, ये सभी टाइप पे एप्लीकेबल है. It includes information relating to private body which can be assessed by under any other law for the time being in force. Section 2F. Exemption from disclosure of information. There are certain exemptions which cannot be disclosed. Number one, national security. If case is of national security, it is not compulsory to provide the information. Contempt of court, parliamentary privilege, trade secrecy. अगर ट्रेड सेक्रेसी है तब भी, fiduciary relationship, foreign government, safety of information in law enforcement, investigations, cabinet papers, privacy, copyright, means disclosure which would involve an infringement of copyright substantiating a person other than the state may be rejected. Section 9. Section 9. So these are the certain cases in which there is an exemption from the disclosure of information. In such cases, it is not compulsory or not necessary to provide the information. Illustrations are certain. एग्जाम्पल्स हैं which number first personal details, income, PAN, sources of funds, partnership details, Dheeraj Manilal Thakkar case decision dated 25th 1 2007 makes awarded by the individual panel experts under the different parameters. Manish Dhaneshwar Thol case decision at 20th April 2006. The marks awarded by the panel expert to each candidate under the different parameters are of a confidential nature, and this act has been carried out by them in fiduciary capacity, which is exempted. We have already seen that in fiduciary capacity, there is an exemption, which is exempted under the section 81E. Another illustration, property return and details of property, assessment reports, medical reports, Bhagwan Chand Saxena case decision date 3 April 2006, 3 April 2006. As far as the medical reports concerned, they are purely personal to the individuals, and furnishing of copies of the same would amount to invasion of privacy of individual and therefore need not to be furnished. It is a case of privacy, so it is not compulsory to provide the information. Details of the bank account, AP Singh versus Punjab National Bank, Zonal Office, Ludhiana. The appellant has not indicated any bona fide public interest in having access to the bank account of company with which he has no association or business relationship. Answer sheet, Teresa Eres case decision dated 6th February 2006, providing information will not serve any public interest under section 81J of RTI Act, rather adversely affect the fairness and impartiality of the selection process. So it is not necessary to. So these are the certain exempted cases. Then another illustration, frivolous queries that are prefixed with wholly unsubstantiated objectives such as fake queries asking for an explanation from the authority. Appeal, we can if we do not receive the information, then we can go for the appeal also. The first appeal with the senior in the department, first we have to appeal in the senior most. If suppose any office, if there is a clerk, and then the superior one, office superintendent or any other deputy director, etc. Second appeal with the information commission, and third one, envisage an independent information commission at the central and state level to be an appellant authority and to oversee the functioning of the act, has various powers under the RTI. Penalties, the penalty levied under the RTI Act as the rate of 250 per day up to maximum rupees 25,000 is recovered from the salary of official.